So that does the master and the master bathroom. So as you can see, when you're evaluating a house to flip, the big things that are really expensive are the kitchens and baths. And in this case, they're not in bad condition. They're not great, but with a little bit of work and a little bit of more of improvement, the bathrooms and the kitchens will definitely be serviceable and the expense will be minimum. Now here is what was a covered patio at one point, which they enclosed with doors and a window. Again, we will clean this up. We will paint this fine door that goes to the garage, which has a rather large rectangular hole cut into it. I don't know why. But we will actually take that door to a lumber company or to a door manufacturer, and they will give us a door that is board mortised to exactly match. So when you come back, all you're doing is rehanging the door. You're not doing the trim, you're not doing the door frame. They will make sure that the hinges and everything are exactly where this door is. So all you gotta do is come back and rehang it. Easy peasy. You do not want to tear out that whole door when you can just go buy a slab and have them custom bore it and mortise the hinges to match.